This is quite possibly the most extra phone holder I've ever seen in my life, and I'm completely here for it. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. I love him. So I'm going to give him a little bit of TLC. I'm going to add some sparkle to his back. I'm using blue Zircon AB in 2 sizes from Estella, and I'm giving a random scattering of crystals. Think pimples of sparkle. And I'm only going to do one side and let that dry, and then move on to the eyes. I'm going to give him irises made from Jonquil AB SS12, and I'm going to do concentric circles around the black circles on his eyes. And at this point, my childhood was really starting to kick in, and I started to give him a name and a backstory. He has his own CBB series now, so I needed to give him a bit of extra character. So I decided to give him a different design on the second eye, and here you see it. So cute, so cute. So now he's unique, and this side is dry, so we can move on to the other side of the spikes. And you'll see I'm putting on quite a bit of glue here because felt likes to suck up glue. And here we have it. May I introduce you to Desmond the Derpy Dinosaur.